Hey guys, it's your boy KSI 2.0 and I'm going to do a Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Link pack opening. See what cards I'd get. Right, so let's go on. Mushroom Man 2, Elephant, Statue of Blessing. Oh, I got a rare as well. Yes. Now let's see, put that into my deck. Obviously I can't. But I'm not putting those useless cards in my deck. Right, let's open 2 more and then I will start doing a duel. But with Yummy Yugi this time. Trap. Give and take, wizard. I'll put the samurai in my deck. I own one anyway. And then I'll put the trap in. Some cards are cool, some cards are not cool. I have got the rare, a rubbish deck anyway. Right, one more, and then we'll get on with a duel. I also got Blue Eyes White Dragon. Mushroom Man 2, no. Bright Future, I don't know. Now that is awesome. I'm going to get that. Now, trap card first. I'm not gonna make this too long because last time I tried to update one when I was dueling you, when I was trying to duel Jerry. By the way, I have got him and I use his deck. So that's it. Let's just try one more. I've got loads anyway. No, one more. This is supposed to be a card opening, but it could be both. I don't know. Now, that is a good card. Somehow I already own one, so sorry, but I'm gonna have to do one more and then go because this won't upload if I do it too long. Anyway, if I do a duel now, maybe or maybe not, I don't know. I might be able to upload it. Anyway, comment on my video so I can see how many views I get. I'm getting so many rare cards. But I'm going to add a trap anyway. I haven't got many traps. Can't turn. Now, when I do this duel, I'm going to see if I can summon my red-eyed black dragon. Because somehow, my brother Luke got it in there. Now, when I do this duel, I want you to comment on it. See if there's anything I could do better, if there's any new cards I could get. Now, after this duel, I'm gonna go, but watch it and subscribe.
You promised that you'd duel me, and it's time to pay up.
Let's duel,
Now,
Joey.
I bet you this is gonna be quite a shit duel.
From my hand, I activate a spell. From my hand, I activate a spell. Now is the time. I summon a monster in attack position.
What you did, but
My turn is done.
It's my turn. I draw.
I'm going to. Yeah. I'm going to have to go. We're going to do another part on this. This has been your Boys Outside 2.0. Like, subscribe, and peace.
Look, you took Matthew's plate again.
Yeah.
No, that's Matthew's plate.
I didn't know. I got a bit confused. I didn't know.
Take your phone into the living room.
Yes, right.
Look, she's got a bit of a headache. I know. Get that down, you'll be fine.
We are a long way from the world of modern conveniences to 99 on Quest as the last Alaskans struggle through winter.
No, I ain't got nothing to eat.
All
It's some
answers to the same
bollocks.
question, which of course...
What are you doing?
You're comfortable, no?
I'm freaking getting comfortable. You look like a fat twat.
Coming up on how do they do it? How do they grow lush green salad on scorching desert plains? How do they make rigging fit for the greatest ships ever to set sail? And how do they produce life-saving insulin from a key ingredient in a loaf of bread? We take you around the world to show you
Roger just put back.
How do they
You
do
do
it?
realise Lynn's going to thump you for that one.
Lettuce, a salad staple the world over. It was one of the first vegetables brought to America by Christopher Columbus. The US produces almost 4 million tons of it a year, worth over $2 billion. Remarkably, most of it grows in the desert. So, when it comes to turning the desert green, how do they do it? The flat plains of Yuma, Arizona. Sun-scorched and very, very hot. Summer temperatures here top 50 Celsius. So this lush green oasis must be a trick of the heat. Except it isn't. For 5 months from November to March, the temperature drops to the mid-20s. But the sun keeps on shining, enabling Yuma County to grow over 90% of all the US's leafy veg, especially lettuce. Growing the perfect lettuce takes up to 100 days, but before seeds can be sown, the soil has to be carefully prepared. Lettuce grows best in level, well-drained fields, so they create dead straight rows and furrows. The process is known as listing. To do it, grower Bruce Williams uses one of these.
This is our lister tractor. This is the tractor that actually makes the rows. It is all GPS guided, so the rows are perfect.